Okay, so welcome back. So I'm going to do this in two videos, so I'm going to go through these definitions, the first two, and then we're going to do the third one in the next video. Okay, so the definitions of the improper integrals, there's three cases that we're going to look at. Okay, the first two are basically what we call one-sided. Okay, and so as you can see, now I'm going to repeat some things here, so I put quotes here. So again, write down these words as I explain. So the first definition is we're going to define an improper integral based on the interval that it covers. Okay, so it says let f be continuous over an interval of the form where it starts with a to positive infinity. So this one goes off to positive infinity. Then we define the integral as the limit. So the integral from a to positive infinity of the function, we write that as the limit as t approaches in positive infinity of the integral from a to t. So as t approaches infinity of this f of x dx. Okay, and so again, provided that the limit exists. Okay, so that's definition one. Now definition two is the same thing, but now we're going to consider intervals of this form, where we go from negative infinity to some number b. Okay, so again, for number two, the definition is let f be continuous over an interval of the form negative infinity to b. Then, the integral from negative infinity to b of this function is equal to the limit as t approaches negative infinity of the integral t to b of the function. Again, provided that the limit exists. Now, if the limit exists, what we say is that the integral converges. Okay? If the limit doesn't exist, then we say that it diverges. Okay? So we're going to talk about convergent and divergent integrals, and we're going to say whether one converges or diverges. So again, if the limit approaches a specific value, then we say that it converges. If it doesn't approach a specific value, if it goes off to positive or negative infinity, then we would say that that diverges. Okay? Okay. So next time in the next video, we'll talk about the third definition, which includes now what if both of the limits of integration are infinity?